as it's pumpkin. And jump and pudding. Jump, whip, jump. Pumpkin! Failure. Oh, I gotta go this way.
Oh!
Ow!
Oh!
Ow! 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 This is already going to a great start. That was hilarious. Ow. Okay. Here we go. Jump. Here it comes. Run away. It's not coming back, is it? Down it goes. Until they come back, they come down and haunt me. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Really? Ow! Shut up, coach. There was 1, 2, 3. No! Get the defibs! Heal me. Ah! You! Yes. No, my fault I fell. Yes, it is. You died right next to the glass. Not my fault. Yeah, it is. I'm not. I'm not. Do it. Heal me! Stop it! Yeah! Now I've got my crowbar. You ready to start it? No. And this. And here. I almost jumped out. Where's my bio? I'm gonna go get more gas cans. Don't start it. Stand down here. I don't know. You died. Probably all the way down here. Hey, take that. Oh, I almost got it. Take this. Take this. Are you kidding me? Maybe I should stay there. That's it. That's it. That's it. Hey, look. There's one in here. Throw it up. Throw it up. Throw it up. Oh. Am I some sort of bad luck or something?
No, you're just missing.
No, my axe.
You're missing terribly.
Maybe I can catch it when you throw it. Not gonna be able to. Wait, I'm getting there. Really? I did it! Try to catch it. Wait. You! Why'd you throw it? I want you to catch it. It's right there. Ah! I want to try to catch it. No. Throw you through. How do I climb like this? Yes! Okay, I'm ready to start it. Okay, just hold on. No! Oh. How did she do that? Do what? Ow! I keep picking up this thing. I don't want to fire. No. Okay! I don't want your car! Oh, save me. Charger! I hate you, coach. There you go, you album. Run. Human sacrifice. Oh no. Ouch. Go get this back. I'll be there to protect you. I'm alive. You're not here to protect me. That charger failed. Ah! It's crouching. No! It's gonna kill me.
Are you even?
Oh, it's dead.
Are we recording?
Yeah, we are.
Okay. So they're leaving. Help anyone? Help?
Shell. I didn't put this.
No, Rochelle. These are why people really.
Oh my god, Coach.
No.
There's another one.
Yeah. Wait, why are they screaming when I'm dead?
Oh my god. Oh, you were screaming and you're dead. That was weird. Oh, Jackie. Oh.
Burn. Get it?
I'm glad I got that on top.
Wait.
Charger.
What happened?
We just said big arm.
Who do you think? I can't make it.
Okay, I'm gonna. It's not down there. Darn it.
One over there.
Yeah, sure. I'll have fun.
Yay!
Pizza. Oh, they're gonna push me off the ledge.
Not today.
You feel that like it becomes head.
Yeah. Easy. Ow! I'm burning.
Oh!
Hi.
Oh! Good day.
Look how it died.
I opened the door so I can see.
Ah! I saw its fatness.
Oops. Rebels up. Bot, save us.
Wow. Failures. You have to help us up. Now die. My
Too
bad.
much, I can't take it.
Gersh. No!
Did you just jump?
No, I backed off. That was sad. I lost my crowbar. Now we're
That's
gonna.
all you care of?
And Vile. I really love my crowbar. I didn't even get to use it.
Wow. Oh, you didn't get to use your crowbar?
You were using it. Oh. Oh yeah. Well.
Ah, there it is. See if I can make it. If I don't, I'm gonna ruin it for everyone.
It's okay.
Get off of me.
Scatter, whoever I think it was.
Scasper.
Yeah. Who tried it? Oh, maybe you can.
Dude.
Watch yourself. Alright. Hurry. Get them.
I'm not gonna make it.
I'm down. Dies. I'm making the jump for it. Ah!
You did not do it.
Ruined it. Man, I was trying to make it look like I actually jumped off. Though I know we can't jump off, it won't let us. Hey there, guys. How you doing?
I'm gonna do a 360.
Oh my gosh!
360. That was not a 360. Oh! Guy in a hazmat suit. Guy in an Xfinity suit. Run. Nope. Don't go that way.
He's running.
Don't go that way. Open the door. Open the door.
Man, if only I was a smoker. Stop it.
Can I like shove you off or something?
I'm not on anything. Tonguer, really. Help me! What am I seeing right now?
She's really not. She's standing in nothing.
Wow.
What? Oh my god, they're falling off the building. I don't want to go that way. I heard a charger. Brilliant idea. Did that just do what I think it just did?
Yes. Karma!
Ugh.
Karma. Mwahaha. That was easy.
No jockeys in sight. Oh,
Yes. Hazmat. I found my jockey.
Ben Fields.
Help me.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye, jockey. Nice knowing you.
Meow.
The jockey had me for just that second. And it ran off the edge. Come on, I'm scared. Hello, how you doing?
We'll go one more time and we'll stop recording.
Whoa. Jeez.
Okay. Okay, let's do this.
I got 9.
Throw it.
Go. Love you too.
Love you too. Run! You're gonna make it. Hurry.
Jump anyway.
You died the same place I did.